everything that's exactly needed to make something. I don't know if we can take that off, shut that, no, leave that open. Just to shut it so you've got the door gap, like the door gap has not been changed, I don't think. So basically that's what's going on there. And he'll go all the way around that and try to make that as nice as possible like that. He'll feather wheel it off after it's done. And he'll go from piece to piece to piece to piece. And basically you want to just try to keep that air flow on that so it does not go anywheres and get warped up. And that's the biggest problem when someone puts something on there, is throwing too much heat at it and having it go bloop, and then you have to put a bunch of filler in it. And also the thing with the welder like that, we don't want anything popping off. So that's why we try to overlap one spot at a time. And we're pumping the brakes by putting one dot at a time so that it does not get too heated up. Like you obviously could take the welder and run across there and do that, but it's just like the brake pads, it gets heated up. If we overlap them like that, then you can grind it off, then you've got no pinholes. And if you do at the end when you grind it off, go back in with your welder and just spot it and flapper wheel it off again, and then go for the next one. All right, everybody, that's the end of it. If you like what's going on in the video,
yeah, great job, Chad. Thank you very much. And thanks to Tweed Valley Auto Electrics. So Dave and Brendan over there. And for our American viewers, I guess that's an Australian El Camino.
And you love it.
Love it. So every young man wanted one of these growing up there. Some say the last of the true Holdens, so before they become plastic cars. So yeah, it's a great little project. And for every hour that I'm spending on it, she's been in the shed with me as well. And she's been washing dishes at a local pub. So every cent that I spend on it, she's been spending on it as well. So
what you're saying is that she's going to work.
She's been working very hard for the last year.
Well, what I generally tell, I ask the kids if they have a dream, just because some kids don't know to have a dream. Like, basically, everybody should have a dream, because if you do not have a dream, it cannot come true. And probably dreaming is the only thing in life that's free. Yep. And you'll find that out, obviously. And if you have a dream, the only way it can come true was you put your work pants on, work clothes. Every dream has work clothes on, if you know what I'm saying. So, good on you.
Keep at it.
Good on you. But
she's driving that old girl, so she may be only 16, but she drives a blown Hemi around.
Well, I want that.
And different things, yeah.
Come on, Dad, I want that. So that's her father's 32 Ford with a Hemi in it. Every car down here, like I said, loves blowers. But if you like what's going on, we just did a little video in here in Australia, and it's been a lot of fun. Actually, you've been a lot of fun just paying attention, you know what I mean? Like, awesome. You have not got a whole lot that you should maybe get a body hammer, maybe a blowgun, and I'd say go for it from there, but I get yourself a blowgun. But if you like what's going on, like, subscribe, comment, and come back tomorrow. We'll be here in Australia.
We've got 7 months to finish it before she gets a full license.
7 months?
Yeah.
That's less than a pregnancy. Oh, this is the truth. Don't say that. Made you laugh. All right, everybody, check you later. Have a good one. Come back tomorrow.